under the bed that I made. I made this this frame here, and then so I'm gonna have the fresh water tank underneath here or in between there, because the inlet comes in behind there, and I'm gonna put the tank either in here. So I'm taking some measurements, or I'm gonna put it in between the bed frame and the wall there. So right now I just got my safe underneath here. I do need to add hinges on the back so I'm just having it rest on there right now, but so I got 11 inches in between there, so I'm thinking I can fit a freshwater tank in there. So I'm just trying to get a good idea of where I want the lines and stuff to go. So it's kind of why I'm making this video and showing how the bed kind of works. So still need to add hinges, and then that just folds down, and then I got another space under that over there. So, and then whoa, I hit my cooler. So then this just slides right back on over, and then I got these drawers in front, and then that's the other side here. Better look here. So then I got storage down there for like chairs and stuff. Having to hinge that up, I'm not sure yet where the electrical, and then the front side of it. So pretty easy to get down under there. Just slide the bed back and get under that. Alright, that's kind of the bed thing for right now.